Hello everyone. Tommy here. Yesterday was June 2002nd. So today, since I know me and my trains are doing an anniversary of that deadly Washington Metro crash in Washington D.C.
And now it's time for a story of train short. This one is called June 2009 Washington Metro Train Collision Train Talk with Thomas and Friends, originally made in 2019, based on the railway series by the Reverend W. Audrey and the events that happened in real life. In the Thomas and Friends series by Brett Outcraft, I can't wait to see all of this go. Created by me, the team Alice, along with these song and engine roll call. Let's go!
It was the deadliest accident in the history of the Washington Metro. The cause of the crash was the faulty track circuit, in which train 214 was on. It was on the faulty track circuit. According to Wikipedia, the train 212, the moving train, it was made up of cars. 1079, 1078, 1071, 1070, 1030, and 1031. All from World 1000 series, which is one of Dean's favorite rail cars. And Wikipedia said the stationary train was made up of cars 3036, 3037, 3257, 3256, 5067, and 5066. All from Breda 3000 series and I don't know how to say but CAF 5000 series rail cars. When the lead car train 112, which is car 1009, hit the other train, it telescoped, and lots of pieces were shattered. Instead of train 214 stopped because another train was waiting at Fortin Station for another train to leave the platform. And it was unaware that it was on the faulty track circuit, making it invisible to the automatic train control system or train 112 that's behind it. After the accident, Vermont made a policy of no longer placing the 1000 series in front of train sets if they were the weakest carting system. They were put in the middle of train sets, and they served for another 8 years until they retired in 2017. And car 1078 was also retired following the collision. What happened to car 5066 and 5067? Well, they were never repaired. They were investigated by NTSBs. They were also used as a source of spare part for them until all the 5000 series rail cars were retired in late 2018, which was a few months ago. This crash, and let's hope there will be another telescoping and deadly collision on a Washington D.C. Metro rail anymore, or on this glowing dark train set.
But then there was trouble.
No! Freight cars on the line! I telescoped it! Are you okay, Percy? Sorry about that. I forgot to move my car the other way for you. Hang on. Why didn't the train control system warn you? There's a faulty track circuit. You should've known. Big ears.
Red wants to help and share. Toby, well, let's say he's square. For the 6 or 8, shooting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All the different routes in the sheds so far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his
Just yesterday was and let's go to another small second on a Washington DC Metro anymore. We're having a car back down in City.
Ta-ta, folks.
Thanks for stopping by, and
See you next time.